Hello teacher and friends. Today I am going to talk about an easy cooking which called Kaidong nampla. In English, we call pickled eggs with fish sauce. So this is a good menu to eat with rice, or I think it can be eaten as a side dish. And the important things we need to choose the eggs that are fresh, clean, and sterile, because this menu is raw. If we don't careful about choosing the materials, it can be damage our body and it will have side effect. So notice that cleanness is very important in cooking. Okay, so I will show you the steps how to do this menu. There are ingredients that we need to prepare, and we need to know how to do this menu.
Well, let's see how to do pickled eggs with fish sauce. Ingredients for pickled egg with fish sauce. So there are 10 chicken eggs, real fish sauce 50 ml, 100 ml of water, 2 part 3 tablespoons of palm sugar, garlic and chili as much as you want. To cook pickled eggs with fish sauce. The first step, measure the fish sauce, water and palm sugar in a saucepan. Then bring the mixture to a boil, and the sugar melts together well. Then lift it off the stove and let it cool. The second step, cut the amount of garlic and chili as you like, in optional. Take the eggs separately. Use only the yolk. Use your finger to press the part of the jelly white next to the yolk. Be careful not to break the yolk. Pour the mixed fish sauce into the egg yolk bowl. Then add chili and garlic into it. Pour the mixed fish sauce into the egg yolk bowl. Then add chili and garlic into it. Finish. Cover the bowl with plastic wraps. Put in the refrigerator in a normal compartment and leave it for one night. 12 hours.
Okay, do I use chicken eggs or duck eggs? The answer is I use the chicken eggs. And how many eggs that I use? Can you think about it? I use 10 chicken eggs. Well, the last question that I will ask you. Do I use palm sugar or brown sugar? The answer is I use palm sugar. Well, it's not hard, right? I hope you enjoy my video and I hope you can do it. The things that I teach you. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.